So there's a snowstorm coming, and so I went to do a panic run and I went to Costco. So this is everything I got at Costco for the snowstorm. First things first, okay, we had to go get the blueberries and the chips. Oh, I did get chips. I had to go get the 100% ground beef, you know. So I got 6 of them. They are pretty good. These are really good. Like if you're looking for dumplings, these are paper, water. And then I got some chips I think I didn't include. And yeah, so what are your plans when you go to a snowstorm? Like, what do you buy? Do you panic buy, or do you just, we'll figure it out. Oh, and I got a flashlight because I need a flashlight.